Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best CCNA Lab Kit is probably one of the most crucial investments for anyone aiming to ace the Cisco Certified Network Associate certification. This kit provides the hands-on experience needed to master networking concepts, moving you beyond theory and into practical application. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes a great CCNA Lab Kit and how it can transform your study sessions. Number 5. Cisco CCNA CCNP Lab Kit. This comprehensive kit provides hands-on experience with Cisco networking technologies. It's perfect for students and professionals looking to enhance their skills. It covers the latest CCNA version 3.0 curriculum, including exams 100 to 105, 200 to 105, and 200 to 125. Get ready to master the fundamentals of networking. This kit also includes comprehensive coverage of the CCNP version 2.0 curriculum. It will help you advance your networking expertise to the professional level. Learn with the industry standard Cisco iOS 15. It provides a realistic lab environment for practical application of your knowledge. The kit features a wide range of hands-on labs. These labs will solidify your understanding and prepare you for real-world scenarios. It also includes the updated 200 to 301 exam preparation. This ensures you are ready for the latest CCNA certification. This kit is your key to success in achieving your Cisco certifications. It provides all the tools and resources you need to excel. What we like. This kit boasts iOS 15, offering the latest features. It's perfect if you're aiming for the newest CCNA and CCNP certifications. If you're looking for a comprehensive lab experience with up-to-date technology, this is the one for you. What people say. This paired with a good CCNA lab book will easily get you to the level needed to pass CCNA. Everything is fully functional and it came with all the cables needed. The kit came as described. It also arrived early. The disk that came with the kit has a world of information. Everything came as advertised, devices are clean and packaging made sure nothing broke. DVD that was included has great resources and a lot of information. All included cables work great and the USB console cable is an awesome touch. Number 4. Cisco CCNA CCNP Lab Kit. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need to master Cisco networking. It's perfect for students and professionals alike. It features the cutting-edge iOS 15.7, ensuring you're working with the most up-to-date technology. This keeps your skills relevant and in demand. The kit centers around the powerful Cisco 1921 router. This is a robust and versatile device ideal for hands-on learning. Prepare for your CCNA and CCNP certifications with realistic simulations. It allows you to practice in a safe environment before taking the real exams. Everything is included for a complete lab setup. You'll have everything you need to start learning immediately, without any extra purchases. Whether you're a student or a working professional, this kit helps you build in-demand skills. It's a valuable investment in your future. What we like. Featuring the latest iOS 15.7, this kit ensures you're working with the most current software. It includes a Cisco 1921 router, providing a robust and modern lab environment. If you want to experience the cutting edge of Cisco technology, this kit is ideal. What people say. The equipment has performed better than expected and it has allowed me to do everything that my classes require and then some. All 3 routers came with Cisco iOS 15.7, just like advertised. Switches were all 15.0. The units work well. Little signs of wear are present, but nothing dramatic. At the end of the day, these are used items. Number 3. Cisco CCNA CCNP Voice Kit. Welcome to the Cisco CCNA CCNP Voice Home Lab Kit. This kit provides everything you need to build your own home network lab for Cisco voice training. It includes a Cisco 1760 router, a powerful device that will be the core of your network. You'll use it to configure and test various voice features. The kit also contains a Cisco 7912 IP phone, allowing you to simulate real-world voice calls and configurations. This is essential for hands-on learning. This kit supports frame relay, a common WAN technology. You will learn how to configure and troubleshoot frame relay networks. Your Cisco CCNA CCNP Voice Home Lab Kit comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. We're confident you'll be satisfied with your purchase. Begin your Cisco voice networking journey today. This kit offers a comprehensive and practical learning experience. What we like. This kit is specifically designed for voice-focused studies. It includes frame relay, a crucial technology for voice over IP. If you're interested in voice and want to delve into legacy technologies, this kit is perfect. Number 2. Cisco CENT CCNA Lab Kit. Introducing the ultimate Cisco networking lab kit, perfect for students and professionals alike. This kit provides everything you need to master Cisco technologies. This powerful switch is the heart of your network. It offers high performance and scalability, enabling you to build robust and reliable networks. The 2811 router is a versatile device that will let you explore advanced routing protocols and network configurations. It's the ideal complement to the switch. It comes preloaded with the latest iOS image, providing enhanced security features and the most up-to-date functionalities. This ensures you're working with the best available technology. The 15.14 iOS provides a stable and feature-rich environment for your learning and experimentation. You'll have access to a wide range of networking capabilities. Get hands-on experience with industry-standard equipment. This kit allows you to build and troubleshoot networks, mirroring real-world scenarios. Prepare for your CENT and CCNA certifications with confidence. It's designed to help you master the skills needed to succeed in the networking field. What we like. This kit comes with an advanced security iOS, ideal for those focusing on network security. The 2811 router provides a reliable platform for your studies. If you are looking to specialize in network security, this kit is a great choice. Number 1. Cisco CENT CCNA Lab Kit. Introducing the ultimate Cisco networking lab kit, perfect for students and professionals alike. This comprehensive bundle includes everything you need to master Cisco technologies. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. You'll find a powerful WS-C2950T24 switch and a versatile 2801 router, ready to power your learning. This switch is a workhorse, providing the connectivity backbone for your network. It's robust and reliable, perfect for building complex network topologies. The included 2801 router boasts the latest 15.14 iOS, giving you access to the most current features and functionalities. It's ready to be configured and explored. With this kit, you can build and configure your own networks, experiment with different protocols, and troubleshoot real-world scenarios. It's hands-on learning at its best. It's the perfect tool to prepare for CENT, CCNA, and beyond. Start building your networking expertise today. What we like. This kit includes a 2801 router with iOS 15.14 loaded. It provides a solid foundation for CCNA and CCNP studies. If you are looking for a reliable and cost-effective lab setup, it is a great option. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.